Hi, welcome to Seymour's World. Are you living in fear today? We're bombarded by news, social media, TV, radio 24 hours every day. It's COVID cases or COVID hospitalizations, COVID deaths, Black Lives Matter, Trump and more Trump, all negative. Should I go on? What should we do now? Somewhere along the line, feeling guilty, fearful, and unhappy has become the norm. It's almost expected. What happened to us to take away our feeling of excitement for what tomorrow holds and replaced it with worry? It's time to revisit the things that caused this change and to nullify their effects on us. Here is what I think we should do. Number one, trust yourself. Somehow we've made it through everything life has thrown at us and we're still in the game. Although life is uncertain, take a minute and to look at all of the seemingly impossible times we have had to deal with. Think about all the times you asked yourself if you would make it through. Have faith that whatever happens in the future, we will find a way to deal with it. Number two, hang out with positive people. There's nothing more discouraging than someone who is apathetic and makes it known to everyone around him or her. Or the person who is always angry or sad, no matter what you do to help them. Or the person who is totally negative about everything. We all have friends that make us laugh and make life a pleasure. Yes, we have to be cautious, but let's look at the big picture. Most important, throw away all those newspapers. Turn off all the cable news stations. Most of what is written in the newspapers is bad news. There's nothing like something very scary to make people buy and read newspapers. Have you noticed that there's rarely, if ever, good news on the front page? But yet, good news exists everywhere. You don't have to look hard to find it. If you're having trouble believing this, write down all of the good things you see in a day. You'll be surprised. People open doors for others. People put on benefit concerts to raise money for the injured or ill people. The list goes on and on. I really believe that there's way more great things happening each day than bad things, and I challenge anyone to prove otherwise. How about music, art, or playing with kids? Make it a large part of your life to seek out and enjoy these things. Tip the balance in favor of things that make you really happy. I guarantee you will enjoy life a lot better. Good luck to you, and thank you for watching Seymour's World. I look forward to your comments. Aloha.